Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start at the control center because that's the quickest way to toggle rotation. Swipe down from the top right corner on Face ID iPads or swipe up from the bottom on older models. Make sure the iPad is awake and unlocked. Look for the lock with a circular arrow. That indicates portrait orientation lock. Tap it once to disable. You see the icon dim and apps will rotate again. Once done, test by rotating the device to confirm landscape activation. If Control Center didn't work, go to Settings so you can see system-level behavior and why rotation won't change. Tap Settings, then Display and Brightness, and check any rotation-related options. Some enterprise or accessibility profiles may override Control Center. Toggle the lock there if visible. This targets persistent settings. If the control is grayed out, force close settings and reopen because temporary glitches can hide the toggle. Make sure an installed profile. Now finish by toggling the icon back in Control Center, then open an app such as Safari to verify it rotates into landscape. If rotation remains stuck, restart the iPad. That often clears transient issues. If needed, perform a force restart. Also check settings right arrow accessibility, right arrow touch, right arrow assistive touch, because its custom actions can interfere with orientation. If a configuration profile, or MDM, is installed, contact the administrator. Otherwise, a system up.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.